Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. I am super excited about this week because we have some like newer items and also like some really pretty items. So I'm really pumped to get into this week's new releases. Let's go into the grab bags first. All of these releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Also, the mystery reveal will be up on Wednesday. That will be dropped off at the post office on Tuesday, and y'all got shipping notifications on yesterday, Sunday. So let's go through the 3 new Misfit grab bags. A lot of these items are actually overstock, so that's really exciting. So there's only like a few handful of Misfits in there, or if there are Misfits, they are very minimal. So let's go ahead and get in, which that's basically how a lot of our grab bags are, but let's get into it. So first things first, we have the 10-piece script grab bags. So what I did is just had Kirsten give me an example, one of each to show y'all. So obviously grab bags have all different things, but this is just shows you kind of an example of what you can get. So this one has the silver barbecue, silver sleep in, hollow grocery run, hollow payday, rose Target run, hollow in my feelings, rose shopping, gold appointment, bestie date, and sparkly hollow, and then hollow me time. So you have a really good variety there. And again, that's a 10-piece script foiled Misfit grab bag. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We also do have the matte grab bags. These have been very highly requested as well. So again, this is just an example, and it is a 10-piece grab bag as well. So this one is a copper, and then there's a green, a sparkly light green, pink, that purple hollow, gold wave, silver hollow wave, black. This one is like a sparkly red, and see that one has like a Misfit on it, and then a kind of like a orangey color, bonfire, I think. So that's an example of the 10-piece matte label sampler grab bag. And then we also have the 10-piece doodle, and all of these are limited, so they're not unlimited stock. So I think the one that has the least amount is the Doodle grab bags. So let's go through this one. So this one has the McDonald's bags, the Apple Watch. It could also have fun colored ones in there as well. Needle and thread, Chick-fil-A and pastel, breakfast, shopping bags, makeup palette, spray bottle, and also the Batu Bound Doodles. So it could be any of the Doodles. It could be ones from the color of the week. It could be ones from in shop. It could be ones that kind of accompany the kits possibly. So that is the last of the grab bags. And then let's get into the Doodles for this week. So I'm really excited for this week. I'll show y'all next what I'm just so pumped for, and I can't wait to hear what y'all think. So I have the 10 new Doodles for the week. So I have the ones that came out for Valentine's Day in the regular colors. So I think it's just these ones. So you have the lipstick mark, the hearts, the phone. I love this one. I think it's so cute. The nail polish bottles, the hands with the painted nails, the That Be cake, which is so cute. I used it to mark Kirsten's birthday. And then the bows. And then speaking of Kirsten requested like exercise bike because she's been using her Peloton. So I have the Peloton in both the pastel and then like a classic Peloton logo. And then I also did this one here, which I thought was really cute. So it's like recolored for the different seasons. I actually probably will use this for my treadmill. My treadmill doesn't have a screen, and like treadmills usually don't have this kind of handlebar, but I think it'd be really cute just to mark that. And then you can use like different seasons based on like the color of the kit, or you can use it based on the season. But I thought that this was adorable. Obviously more for an exercise bike, but like I said, I'm gonna probably use it for my treadmill. And then the next thing that I'm super excited for is my newest idea. I don't know if I'm gonna do this for like every specialty colorway. I don't know if I'll continue doing this. I don't know if I'll keep it in a shop. It's kind of gonna be based on how y'all like it. So I went ahead and we have a multicolor line in shop that has like half boxes, label samplers, glitter headers, little things, and all the basics. And I think it's in like 5 or 6 colorways. There's like a bright, a pastel, marble, neutral, dusty rose, stone colored. But yeah, so I wanted to do the like top doodles in those colorways. So I wanted to start with the brights and see how y'all like it. And just, you know, I think this is a cute idea to bring more colors to the shop, and this will also be like permanent as long as y'all like it. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I can just, you know, add new sheets as, you know, y'all like them or whatever. And I just kept the number the same as the number as the sheet is in shop, just to keep it easy. So the first one here is 46, which is the laptops, 62, which is the packages, 80, which is the washing machine. You can see the bright colors here. It matches that bright multicolor perfectly. The folded clothes, the Retro Max, the sticker sheets, the Chick-fil-A bags, the McDonald's bags, the Target bags, the Netflix laptops, the YouTube laptops, the wax melts, the presents, the candles, the like older TVs, the balloons, cupcakes, phones, nail polish bottles, bows I thought were just really cute, the Switch, the stethoscope, and then also the pencil. So those are the ones I'm starting with, but I can always add to them and just kind of slot them in based on the number. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, but I think this is a really great way to have like another colorway in shop. And like I said, I would like to do all 5 or 6 of the colorways that we have in shop to match the multicolor, because I feel like that's a really great variety in the most popular sheets. So that is the first round of those. Let's get into the foil releases for this week. So I just have one single sheet, and that is because I'm going to be bringing back the listing for the specialty colors, and I will be adding is it matte bronze in there? It might be already. I think it is, but I'm going to be adding the stroke to that listing. So I did go ahead and order just the stroke because I think it's very universal. I've used it with so many different prints, like patterns in my planner so far, and I think it matches really well. So I wanted to bring a tall and wide box option, and also you can just use like one sheet and it works for a spread. So you will be able to pick them up in Champagne Lights, Lavender Hollow, and Matte Bronze. Super, super cute. Very excited about that. And then I am so pumped about this foil bundle. I mentioned in my February kit lineup that I wanted to use this for, well, I didn't say this specifically, but this is the one I wanted to use for the Level Up kit for Avery's birthday. It is a mixed metal foil bundle in the new sparkle format, and I am obsessed with it. Oh, it's so pretty. I haven't got to really look at it yet, but it's so nice. Okay, so it is a mixed metal, lavender hollow, regular hollow. Oh, it's so pretty. I am obsessed with it. I think it's gonna look so cute with that kit. So it's the same as the normal sparkle format that just came out. It premiered in the January mystery, and we have the a la carte items in shop. It's just mixed metal, which I love. The bougie boxes are also mixed metal. Oh, so pretty. I love how the lavender hollow is like darker than the regular hollow. And then you have the script and icon sheet, and then the bottom washi, which I did kind of change up how I did the mixed metal and the bow, and I think it looks so stunning. I'm obsessed with this. It's so pretty. I think it's going to go with so many kits. So really excited to be bringing that out. It actually would look pretty with either of the kits coming out this week. Like really pretty. I mean, it's one of those ones that like you might need to stock up on. Then let's go through the 2 kits for this week. So these are both reformats, one of them being a mystery format that was really well loved, and then the other one being I think this kit came out not last year but the year before, but it's so beautiful, and I think that the reformat is gorgeous, and I'm definitely going to be using it in May. I feel like I've been like super in to reusing kits. I don't know why, but I feel like especially whenever I reformat like the boxes, like I'm so excited to reuse the Winter Mermaid kit, even though I just used it last year, and I'm so excited to use this kit as well. I just think it's gorgeous, and this is Merbabe, and I love the colors of this kit. Again, I think this would look really pretty with this foil bundle, or like a sparkly hollow would look really beautiful as well. Regular hollow, if you want to do a fun foil, like if you wanted to do a pink or a teal, this one's a really great one to kind of like play around because there's so many bright colors. But I am obsessed. I just think it's gorgeous, and the reformat is so nice. So here are the full boxes. The freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is the alternate skin tone for the hand box, which is really cool because it's like webbed and scaly. And then I love this tall box. I think it's so cute. And these colors, I'm just obsessed with it and I cannot wait to use it. I'm for sure slotting it in for May. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And I think a cute mermaid quote over here would be perfect. And that is Merbabe. Oh, I'm so in love. Both of the kits this week do come in Mini and Ultimate. So let's go through the a la carte options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is a gorgeous ombre. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then there's 2 options for the fashion. So you do have this one, which you can slot in here. And then there's also this one, which is the alternative for this one. And I love the like fun colored hair here. So cute. And like, ugh, I'm just obsessed and I cannot wait to use that kit. And then also another reformat, which was a mystery from last year. I believe it was February mystery. I love this kit so much. It's so pretty. So let's go through it. This is Books and Blooms, which is also available, I believe, as a sticker pack and as a monthly. I know for sure monthly. It might be a sticker pack. I'm not 100% sure in the shop already, but I just love this kit. I think it is so, 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 so pretty. And I love the colors. It's perfect for spring. Another one I really think that would go well with this foil bundle. Like, you can't tell me that this is not a perfect pairing for this week. It's beautiful, gorgeous, and I'm here for it. So here are the boxes, the deco, the glitter headers, the half boxes, label, pattern label, bottom washi, and the bookshop scene. And then the freebie and the Ultimate and the Mini is the popular Doodles in the colors of the kit. So again, this comes in Ultimate and Mini. Super, super pretty, perfect for spring or summer. Mini kit, there's a 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There is the label sampler if you want to add it on. And then there is also the fashion if you want to add that on as well. So that's everything for this week. I am so pumped, as you can tell. I just think I've been pretty pumped about everything recently. I just feel like everything's so good, and I'm really happy how well this like foil pairing worked for this week. Don't forget to stock up on the special listing of the specialty foil colors while it's available. We have our new Brights Doodles, the 10 new Doodles in our standard colorway, and then the 3 new grab bags. And like I said, the one that has the least is the Doodle, and then I think it goes this one and this one. So those will be limited as well. And then like I said, the mystery reveal will be up on Wednesday. So I hope that y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!